0.375 as a fraction, we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting, and for denominator, for every digit after decimal you have considered 10. Here we have 3 digits after decimal, so you need to write 3 tens as a, of course, as a multiplication. Now you need to simplify this fraction. So how to do that? To simplify this fraction in one step, just you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor of numerator and denominator. In this case, you need to first find out the greatest common factor of numerator and denominator, then you need to divide. And if you want to simplify this fraction in multiple steps, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. Look, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, so 5 is a common factor. This is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. This is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 0. If I divide, I will get 2. If I divide, I will get what? Look at here, 5 goes into 37, 7 times 7 times 5, 35. Subtract 2, bring down this to 25. 5 goes into 25 5 times, so we are getting 75. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, I'll get 2 here. I'll get what? 5 goes into 7, 1 times 5 5. Subtract 2, bring down this 5, 5 goes into 25 5 times, so you're getting here 15. Again, this is divisible by 5 and this is divisible by 5, I'll get 3 here, I'll get 2 here. Now write 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. 3 by 8. There is no common factor between 3 by 8 without 1. This 3 is a prime number, it has only 2 factor, 3 and 1. 1 times 3 equal to 3, so 1 and 3 are the factor of 3. There is no 2 number between this, that if we multiply, that gives 3. So this is the simplest form.